Hello there, welcome to our channel Login Apps again. Hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to log into your Hawaiian BOH card from your computer. And now without further ado, let's start right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now to log into your Hawaiian BOH card, you can either just open up your preferred browser on your computer and search and click on the search bar like this, and after that type in HawaiianbohCard like this and hit .com and hit enter, or you can just simply search for Hawaiian BOH card login like this on the Google itself. And on the first page of Google you can see the HawaiianbohCard.com. Click over there, and from this tab we are on the home page of Hawaiian BOH card itself. Now these both are the same sites. Let's close one of these. Now to log into your Hawaiian BOH card, you'll be required to enter your username over here, and then you'll be required to enter your password over here, and then click on login to sign into your Hawaiian BOH card. Or if you have forgotten your username or password, click over here where you can go through a procedure to reset both of your username and password depending upon which one you lost. And finally, if you have not yet created an account on Hawaiian BOH card, you can see the setup online access button available over here. Click on there and you will be landed on the sign up or the create an account page of Hawaiian BOH card. And there guys, this is how you log into your Hawaiian BOH card. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding a topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.